Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Porsche Boxster's hood when the battery is dead. First, you'll need to access the fuse box, which is typically found in the driver's footwell. This is where we'll provide a temporary power source to release the front hood latch. You'll need a 12-volt power source, like a jump pack or another car battery, to proceed with this crucial step. This initial step is key to regaining access. Now, carefully connect the positive lead from your auxiliary power source to the designated positive terminal inside the fuse box. Then, attach the negative lead to a clean, unpainted metal part of the car's chassis, ensuring a good ground connection. This temporary power will energize the car's electrical system just enough to operate the hood release mechanism. Double-check your connections for safety. With the auxiliary power connected, get inside your Boxster. Locate the interior hood release lever, which is usually found near the driver's door sill or dashboard. Pull this lever firmly, and you should hear the front hood latch disengage with a distinct click. This indicates that the hood is now unlocked and ready to be opened. If it doesn't open, recheck your power connections. Once the latch is released, you can now lift the front hood of your Porsche Boxster. The battery is conveniently located in the front trunk area, making it easily accessible for service. You can now proceed to charge your existing battery or replace it with a new one. Remember to close the hood securely once you're finished to ensure proper latching and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.